Hey guys, as we talked about open code in our previous video, we are always hunting for the best AI tools that actually works for the developer. Today, we have a brand new update from a Japanese AI lab called Sakana. They just dropped something called Sakana Fugu, which is designed to give you a Fable 5 intelligence without actually having to use Fable 5. Let's get right into this, how it works and whether it replaces your current coding setup or not. So let me tell you about something about Sakana Fugu. Sakana Fugu is a multi-agent orchestration system that you can pass through a single model API. Instead of relying on just one model, it uses a panel of different closed and open models working together to synthesize and create a single, highly optimized answer. It operates very similar to Fusion, where multiple models act as a panel to fuse a final output. However, Sakana handles the model selection and delegation automatically for you. The system comes with two main APIs. First is Fugu and second is Fugu Ultra. So Fugu is the basic model built for low latency. It balances strong performance with fast response time, making it a perfect tools for codecs or customer facing chat services. Fugu Ultra is the best premium flagship model. It is specially turned for maximum answer quality for hard, complex and multi-step problems. To test this model, what you have to do is simply move to this website, that is Sakana.ai. Now here what you have to do is there are some other options as well, but now what you have to do is so go to product, then you can go to Sakana Fugu. Here you got these options. Okay, so now this is all about Sakana Fugu and everything stuffs. Okay, but what we have to do is to chat, so simply go to Sakana chat. When you go to Sakana chat, here you can see just move to English because this is Japanese at default. Okay, so now here you have to just start the chatting. So first I will do with a hi. So if it works or it needs any other premium services, then we have to do that. Okay, so yeah, it works perfectly and here you can see it gives responses. Now here you can see the planning part as well, what it writes or not. Okay, so now yeah, it's working again. So what we have to do is simply write the prompt that we have discussed in earlier videos, because that prompt gives us the idea like how it can work or how it can helps us. As you can see, I haven't just signed in yet here, but it is still working, so you can use it at free of cost for checking or testing purposes. I hope you understand, so you can go and check this out. Okay, so first what we will do is we have to just paste this prompt here. So here is the prompt. Now what you have to do is simply just click on this send message, and as you can see it start planning everything. So yeah, in that meantime you guys have to just go to our video and just like our video, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to share this video to your everyone's. As you can see it start implementing the plans, and here you can see all the file structure that it will create, like index.html, style.css and script.js. Okay, and here you can see it also uses framework motion through CDN. That's a good thing. So here you can see I think the HTML part is already finished. Yeah, so the work is quite fast. Okay, so what we will do is we will just have to copy and paste it directly so that we don't have to do it after that. Okay, so I will just copy the index.html and go to my VS Code here and create another file that will be sakana.ai. Okay, sakana.html. Okay, that's all. And then we will just paste the HTML code here. Now just move back and we will paste the CSS code, because I think CSS is finished already. Yeah, okay, so all the codes is finished already, so just paste the CSS code. So I will just do it here. Okay, so after the script, create a style tag here. Okay, and inside the style tag paste this code. Then we have to paste the script tag, so just remove this part from here and go to script here, and then come here, and here we have a script part. Just copy this one and go to script and paste this code. So now as you can see it's about 1078 lines of code. Now let's see what it creates. So open with live server and look at the design, guys. Though, so this design is created by Sakana AI, and it looks quite you can say basics, but yeah, premium as well, because the design and the text font size it uses is quite good, but it needs some border animations and so on. So yeah, you can say it's look too much basic. If you want from me idea, the design looks too much basic, because if I just show you the previous we have created using next and 2, or you can just use uh, another model like you can say Kimi K 2.7, the design is quite impressive. If I just show you here, look at the design created by Kimi K 2.7, that look quite different from the design it created. So you can say it good, but not good as these flagship models like Kimi K 2.7, Next N2 and other models. So yeah, I just say I will give 7 out of 10 to that model, because the model is quite impressive, but the things is it needs some more time or more to just update this model. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Okay, if you like this video, make sure to like it, and I hope you will go and check this out here. And you can see it just gives you the sources like from where it get the data or so on. Like here you can see Instagram and lapa.engine and ninja dribble. Okay, so yeah, go and check this out guys, and let me know how it likes. If you like it, make sure to like it, share the video to everyone, and subscribe our channel. And I hope you will just give me motivation to create these videos. For that, just like the video and comment your best part in this video. And also make sure to follow us on Instagram and other platforms as well. So see you in the next video guys. Happy coding.